Yeah, hello guys, so I have here my ONYX 6 wireless Bluetooth speaker, and I want to give you here a little beginner's guide about how to use this fantastic device. So I'm going through all the connection ports that this speaker has, then the pairing process, how to connect this to your phone or other device, and then also I'm going to talk about all the buttons here, so this button panel that we have here. So we're going to find out exactly how this thing works. Okay, so we're starting out with the back side actually, and that's where we have here this little flap. So it says on here aux, power and service. So let's see what's behind there. So first we actually have here an aux jack, or auxiliary port, and in case you still have one of these cables here, and even like a phone for example here that you can use that has the auxiliary port here on the bottom, then we can just connect this here and over there, and then we can start playing our music directly from here without needing any other type of connectivity. Okay, so this is the first thing. Then as the second port here, we have here this charging port. So this speaker comes here with the with its own charger, and we're going to just plug this in here when we want to charge the battery. And we plug this into our outlet, and then it's going to charge. You know this by this red LED here being on. So how do you know that it's time to charge? So that's really easy, because when you take a look at the LED, once then the battery is getting empty, then this LED starts to blink, and that means it's time to plug this into an outlet with the charger. Okay, so next we have here this micro USB port. That's actually a service port, so we don't really need to use this ever unless you want to do a firmware upgrade, but that's a little bit too complicated for this type of video here, so now we're just going to skip that. Okay, so of course this speaker is a Bluetooth speaker, so now we want to figure out how to connect this here to Bluetooth. And the first thing we have to do is here we turn the speaker on by pressing the center button here, the power button. You hear a little jingle, and then here on the far left, that's where you find the Bluetooth button, and you're just going to press this once. And if you take a really close look at this little LED here, this is like pulsating in white right now. So if we press this Bluetooth button once, and did you hear this? And now you hear the jingle, and then here this is pulsating much quicker than before. So now this is in the Bluetooth pairing mode. And if we go to our smartphone, then in this case I have here this iPhone, and it's going to search for new devices, and here on the very bottom we see here Harman Kardon ONYX STUDIO 6. We're going to select this, and it's automatically going to connect now. Okay, so now we can go to our music app, and let me start playing some music here, because then I can show you exactly how to use these buttons here. So we're not going to use the phone at this time. We can have control over some of the music here directly on the speaker. See, so on the left side we have here this minus button. That's how we lower the volume. See, and then we have to the right of the power button, that's the plus symbol. So if you push that, then we raise the volume. Alright. And now if we want to pause the music, then we just press here the play button. Just press it once, and we're pausing the music. We're pressing it again. Now it resumes the music. Alright. Okay, and now if we can skip to the next track, and we do that by pressing the play button here twice. See, now we are going to the next track. If we do this again, we're going to this next track again. Yeah. See, this is already most of the functionality of the speaker. You can also, it's possible to connect two of these speakers together, so they're going to play the same music at the same time. But you do need a second speaker for that, and in case you do have that, then you can press the Bluetooth button here for 5 seconds, and it will go into this mode where it's trying to pair with the second speaker, which I can't show you because I only have one speaker in this case here. So, but now it's trying to connect to a second speaker, and you see this is blinking really rapidly in white, so it's trying to do this, but it's not going to find a second speaker because I don't have one. Okay, yeah, so this is already it here, the Harman Kardon ONYX 6 wireless Bluetooth speaker short beginner's guide. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any more questions, then please leave a comment below, and don't forget to check out my other videos and give me a thumbs up.